Hi guys, it's still Monday, March 15th, 2021. I just drilled these two mirrors in the wall here. Within the last 2 hours, I assembled some chairs. And there was a couple storage stools that I didn't even have to really put together. So that was cool. Reason for the video is one of my previous videos titled Lawn Repair Whitley Green Edition, I talked about things to look out for when doing your lawns and gardens. There was something else that went along with that video that I didn't include. So I'm going to take you back. And it's just a small tip on exterior painting. So let's go to it. Sorry guys, you know how I am. Here's one last thing. It's not as important as watering or seeding, but it's your exterior paint jobs. You guys remember when I was out here? Look at it now. And you know what the problem is? When you paint too early, especially depending on where you're at, it's still raining, you're still dealing with the elements. So it's gonna fade your paint in some cases. So sometimes you might wanna hold off on painting and seeding until the weather is consistent, okay? So remember that, because you know, what happens is, like, you know, my front yard, you know, the stoops, right? Last couple years, I usually paint them in April, and then I have to paint them again like several weeks later because the weather isn't all that great. So instead of overworking yourself, why don't you work smart, not hard? It's like measuring twice and cutting once. So anyway, take care. Bye. Well guys, I'm gonna call it a day. Take care.